We have the last 2024 MasterCraft XStar S in the state. This boat is battleship gray with black mica flake. It's a 23-foot boat, and as you know, it is an industry leader in the wakeboarding and surfing segment. Just like all other MasterCraft products, it has the integrated MasterCraft SurfStar system. We optioned this boat with a thruster and the aft flip-down swim step. Let's go check out the interior. We've got the best seat in the house here on the back of the XStar S. What separates the XStar from the others on the X line in the back of the boat is this hot tub concaved rear style seating. You've got your pop-up headrest and your pop-out footrest. Moving forward through the boat, you'll notice we have a complete C-deck pass-through, so no more stepping on cushions. This boat has the Z8 hydraulic assist folding tower, clips upgraded audio, clamping board racks, surf storage both underneath and on top of the bimini, our dual touchscreen dash. With this boat and every other in the MasterCraft lineup having SurfStar, it really is a three-touch boat. One, what do you want to do? We want to surf. Two, what side do you want to surf on, right or left? And then three, what style wave do you want? 1 being mellow, 7 being steep. This boat will fill with 4,500 pounds of ballast in just under 4 minutes. We've got our integrated observer touchscreen. This boat is beach tan with stealth accents. So like I mentioned, this is the last 2024 XStar S we're gonna have. This boat's got a $20,000 rebate. Give us a call, come demo it, and come see what makes MasterCraft legendary.